2018 Exam 1 Core Data Analysis Questions 3 to 5. Okay, and this data is going to be used for questions 3 to 5. So we says we've got an approximately normally distributed situation, which means this curve thing comes into play. That's the code word for that. It says we've got a mean of 69. That means that we've got a number 69 here and a standard deviation of 4. So when we say plus 1 standard deviation, we're going to say plus 4. So that's going to be like 73, 77, 81. This is going to be 65, 61, and 57. You see? Isn't that nice? Now, if you're starting at 69 and you want to go minus, so all the minus is this way on the chart, then we're going to go minus 2.5. Well, that's minus 1 is 65, minus 2 is 61, and half of the 4 is another 2. So we're going to be there, which is 59. So the answer is question 3A. Most people got that right. Okay, in this question we've got talking about a standardized score of -1. We want to know the percentage of students with a pulse rate greater than this. So here's another slightly different version of that normal distributed situation. And so z-score. Now z-score is pretty much like this. So your mean is 0. This is -1, -2, -3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So if we're starting at -1, we're starting here and we want to go greater. So it's all that area beyond there. So we've got to basically add up all of these numbers, or you can do 100 minus the other bit. And so what you should be able to do with that is get the answer of, well, it looks pretty obvious, doesn't it? It's going to be 84%. So the answer is E. Okay, so we've got 200 students, and we want to look at the ones who got less than 61 and greater than 73. We're going to need our diagram again, and we're trying to find the number here. They love to do these kind of questions. So if we look at this, we've got to talk about 61 or less. Now we've got to put those numbers back on, haven't we? So 69. There's our 73. We can keep going and going 77, 81. I'm just going to show you this for completion. 65, 61, 57. All we're doing is adding or subtracting the 4, because that's what a standard deviation is. And so we want 61 or less. So it's this and less. And then we want 73 or more. And basically, you've got to add up all those areas I've highlighted in yellow, whichever way you like to do it. There's a number of ways. And you'll get 18.5%. And we know it's of 200 students. And so it's always 18.5%. That's literally what percent means. Divide by 100. Of is times 200. Stick that on the calculator, you get 37. Answer is 37.